Hi everyone, this is Sophie with My Minerals. I'm going to be showing you how to use our under eye correctors and concealing. Our under eye correctors come in a 3-gram container. There are 2 shades, Mellow Yellow and Just Peachy. I'm going to be using Just Peachy under this eye and Mellow Yellow under this eye. I want to use both to just show you the undertones of both shades. I'm going to use 2 techniques. Using the classic eyeshadow brush, I'm going to be applying the Just Peachy under this eye. This is just covering up any dark circles, redness, veins I want to cover up. Applying with a brush will give a more heavy coverage. Just Peachy is best for warm undertones. Now I'm going to be using Mellow Yellow on this eye with my fingers. As you will see, this will give a more natural finish than applying it with a brush. Just doing patting motions to blend that in. This is best for cool undertones. For my undertones and coloring, I would use Mellow Yellow normally. This goes on more seamlessly, and as you will see, it is more of a match. As you can see the difference of the Mellow Yellow and the Just Peachy under eye corrector. And if you're happy with these results, you just put our finishing powder over the top of that to set those creams in. Now if you're somebody wanting a little bit more of a full coverage, a more brighten under eye, just keep on watching. We're going to take My Minerals concealer in Light. Now we're going to take that classic eyeshadow brush again, and we're going to put that concealer on the brush, and we're going to put a triangle shape, so down the bridge of the nose, underneath the eyes, and a little bit up on the cheekbone. When picking an under eye concealer, you want to make sure it's at least 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation. We're just going to do that on the other eye as well. After you're done applying that, it looks a little crazy, but we are going to be blending it, just taking any beauty blender. I'm just going to be blending it in. You could also use your fingers for this step and just do a tapping motion. Focusing on just blending this out and making it look seamless. As you can see, this really brightens your under eyes and really makes it pop. I'm also going to just use the warmth of my finger just to make sure everything is really blended out. It's a really creamy consistency. If you want to keep it like this, you can, but I recommend to set it with our finishing powder. I'm just going to take a little bit on this brush here, our rounded brush, and just dust lightly over your under eyes. Also, I'm using the finishing powder called Belle. This has a shimmer to it, so if you're not someone who likes a shimmer, I recommend just using the plain translucent finishing powder. I'm going to insert a before picture here just to show you without the correctors and concealer. And now this is after. It really is a beautiful finish. These products are definitely must-have. Just peachy and mellow yellow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.